September 26, 1905. Albert Einstein's famous special theory of relativity was published in the German scientific journal Annalen der Physik. The theory's earth-shaking ramifications are still being felt today. Physicists had known for some time that their understanding of the laws of physics was incomplete. But when Einstein's theory was first published, it was an absolute revolution in thought. In fact, it was for a while a controversial topic among physicists, many of whom refused to believe in the outrageous predictions of his theory. The predictions of Einstein's theories are astounding even today. They state that time and space are not completely separate, but are instead closely interrelated. This led to the realization that mass and gravity bend space and time, so that two people can actually experience time differently. For example, imagine an astronaut could travel through space at near the speed of light. For the astronaut, as for everyone back on Earth, time will seem to pass normally. But if the astronaut returns after 2 years, time on Earth may have advanced as much as 200 years. But perhaps the most famous aspect of Einstein's theory is the seemingly simple formula E equals mc squared, which states that energy equals mass multiplied by the speed of light squared. Einstein had unlocked the power of the atom, and his predictions would be proved true when the first atomic bomb exploded in the New Mexico desert in 1945. After the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Einstein lamented that the world was not yet ready for atomic energy. Einstein was known as much for his charm and wit as for his brilliant thinking. And when asked for a simple explanation of relativity, he once said, "When a man sits with a pretty girl for an hour, it seems to him a minute. But let him sit on a hot stove for only a minute, and it seems longer than an hour." That's relativity. Einstein's theory of relativity caused major revolutions in physics and astronomy and changed the way we view our world. He was not only one of the most brilliant scientists of our century, he was one of the greatest thinkers of all time.